Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Truecaller is installed and signed in. This gives permissions to act. Once done, tap Settings, then Call Recording. This is where you start. Give microphone and phone call access when the prompt appears. Without them, recording won't work. Make sure any system-level overlay permission is enabled so the app can capture calls. If you have an Android 11 Plus device, follow the on-screen prompts to allow call recording service integration. This avoids manual steps later. Now you'll configure how and what Truecaller records so recordings meet your needs. First, decide between automatic recording of all calls or selecting certain contacts. This saves space and targets important conversations. Next, pick the audio source and file format. Higher quality uses more space, so balance quality versus storage. Then choose the storage location, internal or SD card, and enable auto-delete schedules or cloud backup if offered, because this keeps your recordings manageable and secure over time. Finish by running a short test call so you can confirm recording starts, saves, and plays back properly. Listen for clarity. If nothing records, recheck microphone and call permissions, disable battery optimizations for Truecaller, and ensure overlay permission remains enabled. Those are common blockers. Make sure backups are active. If you switch phones or factory reset, use export or cloud restore and reauthorize the app. If problems persist, restart your phone and repeat the permission checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.